My name is Alfonso Stedman Sr. I have a new invention for the consumer to try out. That way we won't have to go to using bricks or pop bottles for fireworks. My new invention is named the rocket launcher. It comes in two parts with a quick assembly. Here's the bottom part first. Legs drop down with locking latches. 4 sides. They lock in to the grooves of the bottom. And you see it's sturdy, will not topple over. Now, here's the top parts that the rockets fit into. And you see, that's not going nowhere. Now, for this rockets, you have 6 rockets which go into the slot, which needs to be seen. You have 3 big rockets, and you can use 3 small rockets, fireworks. And you have 4 Roman candles. Here it is, complete. The rocket launcher. With 4 Roman candles and 6 rockets. Which is safe. And this is what you use the lighter with. It's a long lighter. And what I want to emphasize is that you don't have to worry about it getting out of hand. The way you see it, that's just how it is. And you don't have to worry about getting hurt. Now, we give you an example, not of the fire launcher yet. Let's go back to the bricks. With a Roman candle laying on a brick, it doesn't have which direction it's going to go. If I light this, it's going to roll over, and then from the 8 fire points was stored into this, which would cause it to go everywhere. And then with your pop bottle, using the rockets to launch them off in the pop bottle, well, they don't have no direction. Well, my rocket launcher is at a 45-degree angle. And it's going straight up into a clear space. When you fire these, it should be in an open, clear space over here. As you can see, if you come over here, you'll be able to see the back part of the rocket launcher aiming at a clear space. Aiming at a clear space. Here's the rocket launcher, and there's your clear space up there in the sky at a 45-degree angle. Now once I go to fire these, you will see it's safe. You don't have to worry about you getting burnt or the fireworks coming back hitting you, because it's going straight up. Now for example, going to light one of these Roman candles. There you have it. There it goes. The impact of this Roman candle could knock the hole in this, but that's why I designed it to where there's no problem with it. Here's another one lit. And another. As you see, there's no repost, nothing coming back at you. Here's your rocket. There she goes. Here's your little miniature rocket. Uh-oh, there it goes. And another rocket. Fireworks. So that completes the demonstration. Non-flammable, will not catch on fire. And over here, I would like for you to see something here. The reason why this is set up like it is, I have little spaces in here, about a quarter, less than an inch and a half. And if you come over here, you can see what I'm getting at. That spacer keeps the fireworks from falling back down in the hole and coming back on you, like a guiding part. And then on these Roman candles, it's solid down at the bottom to keep it from going back out the bottom. And as you see, everything went good. Even the tops was fired. And with this, I would like to say, this is real safe for the 4th of July. And you can see as I demonstrated, it's fun. And it comes together real easy. You can put it together real easy. You don't have to worry about assembling anything, because when you see it in the stores, it will come already assembled. That's all you gotta do is take it out the box and put one half on top of the other one. And have a safe July the 4th. And thank you for looking at my advertisement. And I want you to buy my product. And it will be in the stores very soon. It will be at Walmart, Sam's Club, and especially where you buy your fireworks. Now, one thing I would like to say, fireworks are not included. Just the rocket launcher itself. And with that, have a happy, safe 4th of July.